how to change Wise password or reset password of your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reset the password for your Wise account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then reset the password for your Wise account, it's actually quite simple. Just go to wise.com, and then once you come to wise.com you'll find the login button. Right now, normally if you had entered your email and your password, you would be able to go ahead and then remember it and then click the login option. Now other way you can reset is if your account is linked with Google, Facebook or Apple, you can directly log in using those. But if you forgot your password and then you want to reset it, click the trouble logging in button that you can find here. After that, just select I've forgotten my password option and then just click the reset password button here. Now simply enter the email address on which your Wise account was associated with and then just click the send password reset link option. As you do that, it will send an email to this email over here, so you want to go ahead and then make sure to check that email. When you check that email, you'll most likely be able to see the password reset link from Wise. So if you don't see, just try to refresh it a couple of times over here, and once you receive that email, what you need to do is open that email and then click the reset password option. And once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically increase your new password or set a new password without having to remember your old password, as you can see over here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then reset your Wise account password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.